that bad because last year when over here to meet them, it was straight freaking ice. Like it was hard to drive anywhere and it was pitch black outside. And it was still around the same time of night. Which is wild because that was like a year ago around about the same time. But that time it was literally pitch black outside and there was so much freaking ice. Sick.
The Rock's treated your undercar as a musical instrument.
Right. Wanna be Winter Wonderland out in the South.
Are they over there? Got people playing in the snow.
No cars though. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Funny, dude. It reminds me of New York. Oh, it's cold.
It's snowing more.
Yeah, it's coming down now.
Oh shit.
Make sure my damn tire pressures are good. Yeah, we're good. I gotta obviously delete some stuff off of my dang camera too because it's trying to say how I have not much SD card space, I guess, so I'm gonna have to go through that. Dude, it works, man.
Yeah, no, it's plastic.
Technically. It's crazy, man.
Let's teach them a thing or two.
Well,
Let's teach you about some garbage bags and
I thought we was gonna catch us a dang little meat or something tonight, but I guess not.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a WRX right there.
Just go in there. See what's popping.
I don't know who it is though, or why it is.
You got the F1 taillight.
I wonder if that's that one dude that we met a while ago. Look at all the snow, man. Is he gonna park or what? Who's this, brother? Oh, we're trying to. What's up, man? Well. Samsung. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is basically a random little video. I was just recording just to record something, documenting stuff. Oh, there's a VB over there too. They're around, I'm telling you. Try to see if I can go and find a local meet or something, and that wasn't going on in this little snowy weather. But allegedly it was supposed to. But, yeah, no biggie. I'm about to go and get some dinner. And it didn't turn out too bad. I saw a random dude whipping a freaking RC car around, so that was pretty sick. And then the news crew pulled up, so that's interesting. What are they doing? What you doing, buddy? Just a random glove. This better be something good. What? Confused. I'm confused. People pulled up to a roadblock for some reason, I don't know. Yeah, I remember last year when we pulled up to this thing too, we stopped right in there to get some gas. Damn, my clutch feels really bad. There's an Elantra in. Yeah, we pulled right in there to get some dang gas, and there was another random Subaru dude or whatever that pulled up. Yeah. His car was nice. It was just some random dude. I don't know who he was, but it was like a sapphire blue freaking VA that was not like slammed, but it was sitting pretty good, that's for damn sure. When I'm watching like other people's vlogs and stuff like that, I want to know how, I mean, I know they have like cameras too, not this, so it should be easier to do with this technically. I want to know how they are freaking driving a manual and getting shots of themselves shifting by themselves when there's a steering wheel.
Probably camera mount of some sort.
Nah, some of the shit is like definitely handheld. This, I guess that's it technically.
Did you ever use the video that I sent you of you doing that?
Yeah.
Or not sent you? I took it on your GoPro.
Yeah. You ain't seen the post yet?